What is the most dangerous creature in the world ever? A question that stirs the imagination and sends a shiver down the spine. In our quest for answers, we'll traverse the wide expanse of our planet, from the highest peaks to the deepest trenches, from the densest jungles to the most barren deserts. On this journey, we'll encounter creatures of all shapes and sizes. Some are as small as the tip of a needle, yet their venom can cause untold agony. Others are as large as a bus, their sheer size and power commanding respect and fear. Some lurk in the shadows, while others rule their domains in broad daylight. Danger, as we'll discover, comes in many forms. It might be the lethal sting of a jellyfish, the crushing jaws of a crocodile, or the silent, stealthy approach of a big cat. It could also be the infectious bite of a mosquito, or the deceptive allure of a poisonous plant. This is not a journey for the faint-hearted, but for those who dare to delve into the dark corners of our planet. The rewards are immense. For in understanding these creatures, we gain insights into the intricate web of life that sustains us all. Now that we've set the stage, let's delve into the annals of history and man's encounters with these beasts. Humans have faced off against nature's most formidable predators since time immemorial. Our history is interwoven with epic tales of bravery and survival, where man has stood toe-to-toe with the beast in a battle of wits and strength. From the Stone Age confrontations with mammoths and saber-toothed tigers, to the medieval knights slaying dragons in folklore, our ancestors have had their fair share of encounters with the beasts of the wild. These narratives passed down through generations have shaped our perception of these creatures, often painting them as symbols of fear and courage. But our encounters with these creatures weren't always steeped in conflict. In many indigenous cultures, animals are revered and respected. Their spirits sought for guidance and protection, a clear testament to our complex relationship with nature. In the modern era, we've encountered beasts of a different kind, from the great white sharks of the deep blue sea to the elusive big cats in our forests. These creatures continue to inspire awe and fear. And while our technology has advanced, so has our understanding of these creatures. We've come to realize that it's not about man versus beast, but rather learning to coexist. Yet these encounters have left a lingering question in our minds. What makes these creatures so dangerous? Is it their brute strength, their razor-sharp claws, their venomous bites? But what makes these creatures so dangerous? Let's take a closer look. Fear often stems from the unknown. But when we understand what makes a creature dangerous, we can better respect and coexist with it. So what exactly makes a creature dangerous? Is it the lethal venom coursing through a snake's fangs? Or the sheer physical strength of a grizzly bear? Yes, these factors contribute to a creature's fearsomeness. Yet it's more than just physical traits. It's also about behaviors. The cunning of a fox, the stealth of a leopard, the ferocity of a honey badger. All these behaviors can turn seemingly ordinary creatures into formidable foes. These adaptations have been sculpted by the relentless pressure of natural selection, honing each species into a survivor, a predator, a danger in its own right. The more we unravel these mysteries, the more we appreciate the intricate balance of nature. These creatures thrive in environments as diverse and deadly as they are. From the deepest oceans to the densest jungles, dangerous creatures have carved out their domains. These habitats, as diverse as they are inhospitable, are the breeding grounds of fear and intrigue. In the seemingly endless blue abyss of the oceans, lethal predators like the box jellyfish and the great white shark reign supreme. They have adapted to the crushing pressures and frigid temperatures, mastering their environment to become apex predators. In the thick, impenetrable jungles, venomous snakes and stealthy big cats stake their territories. These creatures have evolved to be silent stalkers, using the dense foliage to their advantage, striking when least expected. The punishing heat of the desert is the kingdom of creatures like the deathstalker scorpion, surviving in conditions that would be lethal to many. Such diverse habitats are not just homes, but also the training grounds for these dangerous creatures. And in these environments, they've developed cunning survival strategies. To survive in the harshest corners of our planet, these creatures have evolved some truly terrifying tactics. Take, for instance, the chilling precision of the great white shark. which uses stealth and speed to ambush its prey with deadly accuracy. Or the cunning of the saltwater crocodile, an ambush predator that patiently waits for the perfect moment to strike. In the dense jungles, the silent stalk of the jaguar exhibits a masterclass in patience and precision, while in the open savanna, the lion's coordinated hunting strategy demonstrates intelligence and teamwork. High in the skies, the peregrine falcon's breathtaking dive showcases nature's aerodynamic perfection. Underneath the Earth's surface, the trapdoor spider's concealed burrow lures in unsuspecting victims, displaying a remarkable adaptation to subterranean life. Each creature in its unique way exemplifies the relentless drive for survival that defines the natural world. However, not all fearsome creatures are as they seem. Myths and legends have painted many creatures as monsters, but what is fact and what is fiction? Let's take a moment to separate the wheat from the chaff. Creatures like the Bigfoot, Loch Ness Monster, and the Yeti have been woven into the fabric of folklore, capturing our collective imagination. But without credible evidence, these remain mere stories. Now, let's turn to the creatures we know are real. The great white shark has been villainized thanks to Hollywood blockbusters, but in reality, they rarely attack humans. They're more interested in seals and fish, their natural prey. And then we have the misunderstood, maligned snakes. Yes, some species are venomous and can pose a threat to humans, but most snakes are harmless and play a vital role in controlling pests. Let's not forget our eight-legged friends, spiders. While some species like the black widow or the brown recluse can be dangerous, the majority of spiders are harmless to humans. In fact, they serve as natural pest controllers, feeding on insects in our homes and gardens. And finally, the king of the jungle, the lion. While it's true that lions are apex predators, they pose little threat to humans unless provoked or starved. So, while the legends might be thrilling, it's important to remember that these are living beings, not monsters. Despite their reputation, these creatures play crucial roles in our ecosystem. The conservation of dangerous species raises complex issues, balancing ecological roles with human safety. This is a dilemma that has puzzled conservationists and scientists alike. On one hand, every creature, no matter how fearsome, plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of our ecosystems. Predators keep prey populations in check, contributing to the overall health and diversity of their habitats. On the other hand, there's the undeniable fact that some of these creatures pose a significant threat to human life. Consider the venomous snake that slithers in the undergrowth, or the stealthy big cat that stalks its territory. Their presence can instill fear and even lead to fatal encounters. So, what's the solution? Do we prioritize human safety and contain these dangerous creatures potentially disrupting the natural order? Or do we ensure their conservation, knowing the risks they may pose? It's a tough question without a clear-cut answer. The key, perhaps, lies in understanding and respecting the boundaries between humans and these creatures. It's about coexistence, finding ways to live alongside them without encroaching on their habitats or provoking unnecessary conflict. This is not just about preserving biodiversity, it's about fostering a harmonious relationship with the world around us. But what do these creatures tell us about ourselves? Our fear of dangerous creatures reveals more about us than we might think. These formidable beasts mirror our own primal instincts, our capacity for survival, and our fundamental desire to understand the world around us. They force us to confront our vulnerabilities, our mortality, and our place in the natural order. Our fascination with them, tinged with both awe and terror, is a testament to our curiosity, our courage, and our unrelenting pursuit of knowledge. They remind us of our shared evolutionary journey, our collective struggle for existence, and our deeply interwoven destinies. This fear, this fascination, this sense of connection, it's all a part of being human. It's a reflection of our complex psychological makeup, our cultural narratives, and our collective consciousness. So, the next time you think about the world's most dangerous creatures, remember, they're not just a part of our world, they're a part of us. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the dark corners of our world. Remember to like, subscribe, and join us next time as we continue to explore the mysteries of our planet.